We have also started recording also. So this is the my data. First data is the sales data. In the sales data, you can see PID here, but not any information about the product. And also CID here, not any information about the customer. CID means customer ID and PID it means product ID. So for the product related details, only for enter the product ID, and also we have entered the CID for the customer details. And rest of the details in the different sheet, just like here. Okay. And I want to link my data, but problem is that I want to the all data. I want to also the product name, product MRPs, customer name, customer location, and etc. Every details. Okay. How can? So that for that we have used the relationship. So we have two way. First in Access and second in the Excel. So we have go to the database tools, no, sorry, external data and new source from the Excel. Okay. And select my data. Hmm. Open. And we have select the link and okay. And in the Access have a problem. You have link your data one time, one sheet. We have three sheet. I want to three sheets, but only for one sheet will be selected. You can't select the multiple sheets. Okay. Maybe. Then next, and just finish. And so sales will sheet will coming here. Now we have create also the second sheet, new source from an Excel. Select here, key data, select the here and open. And now we have also select the link. Then open, product, next, and finish. Okay. Or also we have select the third sheet, browse, key data, here, open, select the link and okay. And third is the customer. Next, and finish. You can see here, I have import the data, but my data in the three part. But I want to need the all informations in the one sheets. So that time we have used the query. Go to the create, and this is the design query. Query design. Select here, and we have put here the all sheet from this list. You can see here your table list here. Okay. You can drag it, right? Drag it. Now need to make the relationship between the all our sheet. How can create the relationship? You can see the customer and customer CID same like the sales CID, right? Yeah. So we have click here and drop on the CID. You can see. Yeah, what is? And also we have product and link drop here the product PID. So both are the sheet will be linked. Now yes. I want to data with my requirement. Just like first order ID, just double click on the order ID. So order ID here. Order date, month, employee, customer name, category, then PID. And product name here, and also MRP here. Right? Okay. Yeah. And now customer ID and put MRP. Uh, Product name, not MRP. I want to quantity. Okay. So we have changed here the sales, and now click here quantity. Now I want to here MRP. So just click the MRP here, click here MRP, and now I want to calculate the amount. Quantity multiply MRP. So we have right here amount. You can also right click and zoom. We have write here amount, give the column in the inverted comma. We have write the field name quantity and multiply by field name in the MRP. So we have also make the new columns according my requirement. So we have right here like that. Okay. Okay. Now we have put the CID and the customer name and city also. So my query is the finish. Then we have save it. Save it. The all data. Name is the all data. That okay. Now select this is the query. When you click here, you can see your data is arranged and your requirement, just like product ID and product name also, quantity and MRP. So product name and product MRP come from the product sheet. How can? Just like VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. What is a VLOOKUP? Yeah, of course, of course, of course. Just like VLOOKUP, this is a lookup the PID with PID in the product sheet. Because in the product sheet had a PID. Okay. Got it. And same like that, the customer ID and look from the customer ID. So complete data here. Now we have saved, and you want to also link this data. I want to import data, access data, and here I want to here. So in the Excel, have a data, get data from database, choose the access database. Okay. And select your data. In my document, 5 p.m. What is the database name? Yeah, actually, this is database 40. Import. And you can see when you importing the data from the Access, so this is the your all data and these are the link table. So click on the all data and just load. You have see your data. So your Excel file provide the data to Access. Access data combine with query and again send to the Excel. Okay. So when you Excel updated, your Access will be updated and also this Excel will be updated. Okay. So we have used the query for that. You have made the data according your requirement. Okay. You have your data come from the different sources and merged you have merged and you can read it. You have added here. But problem is that I have problem. I have multiple sheets. Okay. Okay. I want to data in the Access. The combined data, just like we have used the folder. Okay. So if you do one by one, had a problem. So that time you also use the Excel. Okay. In the Excel, have a power query. In the Excel, have a power query. Okay. I never used the power query. Yeah, you have used the power query. We have no, I haven't used. I not used. Okay, not used. Okay. So I have data. My data is the different sheets. Okay, and I want to combine this data and import the data in the Access. Okay. Okay. So we have go to the data menu bar and here click the path. And in the file, you see the Excel. One second, I have opened this file. Yeah, this data, right? This data have a two sheets, sheet 1 and sheet 2. In the sheet 2, we have changed the serial number 148, 348, 349. We have changed it. Okay, we have. So we have data in the two sheets. I want to link the data in the Access with two sheets. But problem is that in the Access we need to manage the two connectivity. In the Access, manage the two connectivity. Then you can use the query and merge it. Okay. So that time we have click on the import and select here multiple item selections. Say we have the here sheet data, select the sheet 1 and sales. And now go to the load to load to and only for create connection in the Excel have it only for create connection method. So not no data coming here, only for data connection will be created. Okay. Okay. And data is the backend of the Excel this in the Power Query. So how can I open the Power Query? Go to the connections here and click here edit. When you click the edit, your Power Query pop-up is open. In the Power Query, have a append. Click here, append. Right here, append as a new tab and two tables. We have write the sheet data. First is the sales, second is the sheet 1. Then okay. And this is the append one. You have changed here rename. Sorry, right click rename. And name is the AL data, not all data because all data now have also in the Access. Okay. Now we have close and load. You can see here, combine your data with two sheets. You can see here. It's here with two sheet data combined here and here, loaded here. Now we have saved and CD, name of the CD. Now we have opened the Access. Same, look at this 40. And we have go to the external data source, new source, and we have used the Excel. Go to the locations, select here, click the link. Okay, then okay. And AL data, next, and finish. And okay, you can see here AL data coming here. Yeah. So this data linked with two Excel sheet in the one file. Got it. Got it? So now yes, we have finished the topic data connectivity. How can connect the data from the other source, right? Okay. With yes. Link, without link, multiple sheets, multiple file, folder, everything will be covered. Yes, we covered. Do you want to also some document for the reading? Yes, reading and also for practice. Okay. So I have shared my file, the P data. We have do the practice. Oh. And also share the one PDF book related data connectivity. Yeah. Article I have sent you. Okay. And tomorrow, exact 5 p.m. we have connected and we discuss how can create the table, all table. Okay.